guys, welcome back to the vlog and thank you for tuning in. Today we're opening up here at Extreme Wraps because I am about to see Sandy's F-150 wrapped for the very first time. I have not seen it yet. I don't even know if they're done yet. I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys. This is a three-part episode. Part one, we stole Sandy's truck. The police were involved. It was amazing. Part two, wheels, tires, suspension, nitrous, and Jose here at Extreme Wraps has turned this around in 12 hours. I'm not kidding you. Overnight. And today we're gonna be surprising Sandy. He has no idea. All right, this is Sean and I's first reaction of the truck. Oh my God. Bro, this is a new truck. This looks so much better.
Yeah, it does look way better.
Holy hell! This truck looks so much better white. And with these wheels, bro, you guys killed it. Sandy's color, wheel, and tire fitment and everything compared to this is a new truck.
Yeah, he's like, whose truck is that?
He's like, wow, someone's got a nice F-150. It's like, it's yours. I really wanted to do white because he was telling me that white's his favorite color and every truck he's ever owned has been white. You guys know his other white F-150 that he's been trying to sell. I think I can say that. So he's got to have a new white truck and I can see why. So, as much as I love this F-150, you guys are gonna see in the background, and I feel like I can't just not address the fact that the Fast and Furious R34 is right here. I can say, if I've told people before that you do all the wraps for the Fast and Furious cars.
Yeah, of course.
Kick ass.
It needs a facelift, so that's what it needs right now.
You guys ever done a facelift on this?
Everything, the whole thing.
You know,
Oh, you already have an RB26. Get out of here. I'm next.
So it's gonna be repainted, and then we gotta do the graphics all over again.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
It's going back to Universal Studios.
That's exciting.
Yeah, it is.
Parked on HREs too. Look at this. Yeah, nitrous intercooler sprayer. That is so cool. We need to do something like that. I should have that on the Vet. That'll definitely keep those intake temps down. We were doing it by hand at the racetrack for you guys to remember.
that's a lot of nitrous.
Look at that nitrous. 2 bottles right there. This is so cool.
Oh shit. Oh, that's sad.
Yeah.
Rats got in there.
I mean, that's normal.
Yeah.
Cars sit. I bet she still starts up fine though, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, RVs. All day.
Second unit principle. That's cool.
I'm gonna put that on mine. Let's go.
So this is first unit right now, and that's second unit.
Second.
What are you guys doing here? Oh, that's right. We have a message from our sponsors. I would like to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. They're an amazing support of this channel and such a fun game to play anytime, anywhere. Right now, I need you to stop whatever it is you're doing. It is time you made some changes in your life. Have you ever taken down the Demon Lord yet? Crushed the Ice Golem? Ascended the Tower of Doom? Listen guys, it's time you start to take life seriously and accomplish your goals playing Raid. Download Raid using my link in the description below. It's available on both mobile and PC. One of the best things about Raid is all the badass bosses that you get to face. 2 of my favorite are Pyro. Pro tip with him is to have champions who can deliver multiple hits on each attack to remove his shield and start hurting him. Then there is Princess Avila. She puts out a ton of buffs, which gives her the ability to do more damage. So you gotta steal her buffs like she steals souls to take her down. My favorite part of playing Raid, other than the badass dungeon bosses, is the PvP battles in the arena, where I can duke it out with my friends and other online gamers. As always, Raid has new things coming out every month. This month, there are brand new quests for you and your clan members to work on together, new benefits for every clan member just for being in a clan, and even a brand new clan shop that gives you access to some incredibly powerful items. If you want to get a huge head start in Raid, all you have to do is hit the link in the description below or scan my QR code and you'll get an epic hero, Chinoru, who is amazing in the Doom Tower, 200,000 silver, 1 XP boost, 1 energy refill, and 1 ancient shard so you can summon an awesome champion as soon as you get in-game. Just click the link in the description or scan my code. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. I'll see you all in the game. But now, let's get back to the episode.
Fast and Furious 10, you know?
Yeah, right?
They need some drag trucks.
We just need some rocket launchers on the back.
That's a good idea.
If you guys are in the Southern California area and you need a wrap for your car, 100% I would recommend these guys. They do a killer job and the turnaround is so quick. Not just because we needed a fast turnaround for the truck, they actually work fast. Have you seen with every build that we've ever done? And I'm staring at the Fast and Furious FD RX-7 stunt car right now. 13B, little rotary action. Stunt car only. This is number 35. It's crazy to think that they had 35 RX-7s. Or maybe that was just the unit number and they didn't actually have 35 of these. I don't know. When I'm starring in Fast 10, I'll let you guys know what it is.
All right, guys, go have fun. Go surprise Sandy, and we'll see.
Thank you for being a part of
Hopefully he's happy
it.
with it.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
It's not too late to keep the truck and not give it back to him.
Yeah, we could. It'd be funny if we found like a crashed single cab F-150 and just went like, yeah, that's your car.
If I had more staff on my team to help me pull off getting a wrecked F-150 at a lot and be like, surprise!
That would be a pretty gnarly roller coaster of a day for Sandy.
First, we have to stop at the shop. I want to do a couple little things with the Hartford Limited merchandising to spice up the truck a little bit, but we are actually headed to a police impound lot. The police have been teasing him a little bit for the past couple of days, keeping him as updated as possible. They called Sandy to tell him that they had located his F-150 and it is currently at an impound lot and he needs to go pick it up. Since it just so ironically happened to be down the street from us, Sandy called us for us to meet him at the impound lot so that we could see the truck, and that's where we're gonna surprise him. So we gotta go. First, let's hear this exhaust. And let's get out of here. This came out better than I could have possibly imagined. Sandy's gonna be so excited. So I'm on the way there and I realize Sandy is out of gas. A good friend does not surprise another friend with a full truck rebuild and an empty tank of gas. So I'm gonna go to the gas station, make sure he's topped off on fuel with 91 because he's running nitrous, and we'll see him soon. Much better. All right, we've made it. We're gonna put the F-150 inside. Sandy just texted me saying he's almost here, so let's get everything lined up and ready to go. There's a few last final touches that I want to do on the F-150. One is to put one of the last With Love Factory Racing license plate cover frames on her. I also got a couple stickers, and Sandy should be here any minute, so I'm gonna do this real quick. Every single one of you should have one of these on your license plate. This is the white that you know you've worked in a restaurant before. Because this is now officially a one-of-one Hartford Limited Edition Ford F-150, I'm gonna put a Hartford Limited sticker there. These stickers might already be sold out, but if they haven't, you guys, make sure you go to the website. I'll link it in the description below. Oh!
Matches the paint too.
Sex appeal and a sticker. Let's go, baby. He's gonna show up here so straight-faced and be like, cool. Last final thing I have to do is I'm going to put the Hartford Limited jet tag onto the car key. Truck key. Relax, guys. Sandy just texted me saying he's exiting the freeway. We have the F-150 lined up and ready to surprise him. What's up?
What's up?
They found your car. What'd they say on the phone?
That they found it, it was here, and that
Is it damaged or anything?
I asked, they wouldn't tell me.
Really?
All they would say was it was, I asked, is it drivable? They said it appears to be.
Well, I guess we'll find out.
Here to get my truck. F-150 2021.
What's the VIN number of the vehicle?
I don't know the VIN number. I got the plate number.
You got a tow truck?
Do what?
You have a tow truck?
No.
How you gonna do it? How you gonna drive it? Can I get your license, please?
She has it.
Okay. You wanna see it?
Yeah. What the fuck? That's not my truck. That's white. My truck is gray.
That's your truck.
That's my truck?
That's your truck. Click it. That's your key, right?
Yeah.
Don't start it.
Oh, too late. It's freaking rad.
Sorry, man. It's her fault. She asked me to do it. She asked me to do it. If you're gonna beat anybody else, beat her. I want to watch.
I don't even know what to say. It looks better white.
It does.
It does.
It looks so much better
It
white.
looks way better
I didn't realize
white.
how many like curves the car had.
Yeah.
There's like all kinds of like style to it now.
Yeah, so we got some Mickey Thompson's Street SS's on her, beadlocks, weld, the Venturas, because I know you've been going to the drag strips, we're gonna need something that's gonna be able to bite. Got you a lowering kit, even lower than what you had. You notice the fitment's a little nicer. That was thanks to Beltec. Wrapped your whole truck white, thanks to Extreme Wraps.
That's awesome. Oh, it's even got the badass coilovers on it.
Hell yeah, it's the Performance Plus kit.
Oh,
Adjustable front and rear.
Yeah, you can adjust your damping, your compression, anything you want there. And that's not it, if you want to see under the hood.
One-hander.
oh snap.
So you got a nice little 100 shot of nitrous on there too.
You put the squeeze on it too. I don't know what to say.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
The whole time over here, I was like, oh, fuck. I'm like in awe.
Take a look at the bottle placement.
Oh, that's fucking awesome.
So you can still reach it from the driver's seat if you want to,
Yeah.
you know, open it.
Right. No, we won't be using that on the street.
No one needs to know, just put a gym bag over it.
Right. Yeah. Oh, even the blowdown too, it's race legal.
The amount of looks I was getting just driving this was insane.
Really?
Yeah. Everyone is going to try to race you. So we did a Beltec shocks and lowering kit.
Right.
So you're about 3 inches lower in the front, 4 inches in the rear. Also did cow tracks for you for a little bit more traction.
See that.
Yeah, you got 17 by 10 Weld Ventura beadlock wheels in the rear, 17 by 5 in the front, skinny Mickey Thompsons up front, and you got your Street SS's, the same one that are on the Vet. And also wrap the whole truck white because I know how much you like the white truck, and I know you were looking for your 21 in a white.
I couldn't find one.
Couldn't find one, so we wrapped it for him.
That's rad.
Also nitrous, a few little Easter egg stickers. And I also figured, since we're going to the drag strip with the Vet next week, try to break the record again.
Oh.
You know, you got the perfect setup to go race it now.
They do.
Yeah. And the last time we were there, you got a slip, so we know what we're chasing after too. He almost started crying. Yeah. Has it sunken in yet?
Yeah. Yeah, it's fucking sick.
I will admit, you guys, even when I got surprised with the motor that Sean bought me for my Subaru, I was shook. I stood still. I couldn't believe it. You have so many emotions processing, but
A lot of emotions.
yeah. You went through a roller coaster this week. I'm so sorry.
I did. Holy crud.
Sandy's a guy who doesn't really show a lot of emotion. For those of you guys who don't normally watch the channel, so this is crazy. I love being able to do this and surprise my friends, and truthfully, it's because you guys watch the videos, so thank you.
How's it going?
Oh. I may have been the first one to blow the motor on my C8, but at least I wasn't the first one to crash one. No, that sucks. I'm sorry. Legitimately, I'm sad to see this crash. Did you see the brown one where the front end ripped off?
Where it was like split in half. Yeah.
That's nuts.
Yeah.
That's scary. But, I mean, it didn't actually go inside of the driver compartment, so I guess they were okay.
Just got off the phone with one of the master techs at GM, and he's saying that it needs to be on dollies.
Good luck towing one of these. You're gonna be like, I don't want this job.
Every Corvette owner who breaks down is gonna have flat tires. Is what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Oh, and the one I hate the most is there's no freaking hook. I know.
Yeah, there's no hook. You can't put it in neutral. Thank you again, guys, over at Mid-Valley Tow for helping surprise Sandy.
Put the squeeze on. We didn't show him where the button is.
No, he can figure that out on his own. I just got in the truck with Sean, and he's like, I got 2 trucks here. I'll drive the white F-150, let's go.
Okay.
Damn, I still can't get over how good this came out.
Yeah, I know. It looks sick.
I think we need to redo yours now.
It just needs a wash, like really bad.
Yeah, I needs to redo it with a regular cab F-150.
Have you figured it out yet?
Maybe. A little bit. So what actually went down?
So Gio took your spare keys like a month or two ago to see if you would notice, and you didn't. Because also we would have had to do something else. And at the Hoonigan shoot, I met these awesome cops who also drag race their cars and have this nonprofit organization. They were off-duty police officers who were willing to come by after their shift. So Gio stole your truck. They came by. You actually talked to the police department when you called. They were in on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they were in on it. Took the whole police report. Sean and I are trying not to laugh in the background. Brought it here and then did all this. Got it wrapped all in like a day because we spent all day working on it, then had it wrapped overnight. I called the police to call you to tell you they found it, and that's how we ended up at the lot.
All right. Wow.
Yeah, it was kind of fun piecing all that together.
That's a lot.
Yeah. Now you got a sick brand new F-150. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're headed down south right now to go surprise Stacy, Sandy's wife, and Gio, his nephew, who was a part of this whole scam.
Do what?
I like how you're just staring at your truck right now.
Hey, man.
I totally caught that. Wait, what?
Yeah.
All right, Gio, come here.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Ooh, different color. Oh! Is that beadlocks on the back? Let's see. Okay. And white, I like it.
Bro, your reaction is bigger than Sandy's.
I'm stoked because I get to drive this. Oh, and some
This shit came out clean, huh?
skinnies. Good job. Perfect.
Thank
I love
you.
it. Now we just gotta ceramic coat it and detail it and we're good.
It's also got nitrous.
Can I see?
Yeah. I'm not gonna print it right now, but I'll show you the bottle. You'll see, but not right now.
Nice. It's tucked away.
Still in reach?
For reals, huh? What's this little sticker right here?
Oh, that's that Hartford Limited.
I'm gonna need one on the Vic.
I got you. There's also this one back here too. I'm sorry for what I put you guys through. Obviously you found out
truck
today.
was stolen by you.
Surprise.
Oh, holy shit. It's white. He got a white truck. All of his trucks are white. Oh my God.
It looks brand new, huh? Well, it kind of already was.
It was brand new, but now this looks like a brand new.
Yeah. Wrap, new wheels. These are more of a drag setup because they're beadlocks in the rear. Sticky tires and nitrous and a lowering kit.
And nitrous.
Yeah. I don't know how many more times I'm going to be able to get away with this.
This was extreme though. You had us this time. When he finally found the truck, he told me, oh, they only have it in, you know, dark gray. I was really, really looking for a white one.
Yeah.
All of his trucks, white, all the time. He was so bummed out that he could not find this
Really?
truck. in
I
white.
didn't know you were actually that bummed out.
Oh yeah, I was pretty bummed out.
I just remember you making one passive comment, like, man, I really wanted a white one. I like my white F-150, but I can only find it in gray.
Yep.
And you said that months ago.
This is like beyond perfect for him.
Now you just got to find a way to tune the truck so you can go over 105 miles per hour.
Yeah, well.
If anyone knows anything about tuning F-150s, comment below.
Nobody knows nothing. I'm on the hunt. I've been on the hunt.
Enjoy the truck.
Oh, I will.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Heck yeah.
You know you did a thing when you turn around to look at someone else's truck. Damn, it looks good. It looks good. All right, you guys, please, HartfordLTD.com. Go cop the merch. Thank you guys. I'm so stoked on all of this. I'm so happy with how the truck came out. Please hit that subscribe button. Give the video a share if you enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed this 3-part series. Next episode, we hit the drag strip with the vet. Baby, I'm hoping for it. Ecrew, we out here. Bye. You know, he's the one who stole it.
Yeah, son of a you. We had to. I understand that, but